I saw it coming. I saw it coming. The gem expert recently pointed out what Rihanna was wearing during one of her makeup tutorials. And goddamn, Rihanna, who made you wear this jewelry? On first sight, it does look nice. But goddamn, what are those? Emeralds or jade? Why am I freaking out? The gem expert made it very clear that jewelry gets its life from its gemstones, and what we see on multimillionaire Rihanna looks pretty dead. I'm sorry. Okay, I really shouldn't have said that. But, Rihanna, you are rich. Okay, give me a second. Let's start with the big green stone on top of her necklace. Thrift store collaboration. The gem expert said, this could be an emerald, an almost not transparent dark one. I am freaking out, goddamn fuck. Look at the 4 emerald cut emeralds. Ah! I mean, they look crooked. The sizes are so irregular. I can tell that from this shitty 360p video. Give me a second. Let me breathe. You are asking about the quality of these stones. The quality of these stones from this video determining. Bubblegum automat. Yes, bubblegum automat at a fun fair. That's where this construct of metal and green pavement is from. Now, the Hail Mary pendant is jade. Not too much to complain about that. But goddamn, do you know how rich Rihanna is? She creates money in the millions, if not billions, with her music and makeup. Yet she wears random metal pieces from the thrift store. Or should I say bubblegum automat at the fun fair? What can I say? I love Rihanna. Kiss, muah. Yours truly, Jordan Peterson. Thanks to the gem expert.